Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. How are you all? I hope you guys doing good. So, breaking news is that the Ethereum is going to be merged, and we are seeing that the Google is so much excited about that, and we are saying that Ethereum merge is soon coming, and only the one day left behind that. And I'm giving this news in my Telegram channel. If you guys are following me, you guys have to join my Telegram group. Link in the description. So in the today's videos, we are gonna discuss about the Ethereum merge, that what's an Ethereum merge, and we will discuss about the Ethereum merge, that what is the Ethereum merge, and what is the proof of stake, and the Ethereum gas fee, and we will discuss about the purpose of the merge, that what's the purpose of the merge, and the merge Ethereum's, the platforms, the popularity, and the network capabilities. We'll discuss about the Ethereum's DeFi market share right now in the there. If you have if you find my videos useful, hit the like button, share it with your friends and the colleagues. Hopefully you like my videos, and if you are new at my channel, do subscribe my channel and like my videos. So moving towards that, what's the Ethereum merge? So according to the merge is an upgrade to the Ethereum's network that promises of the several improvement to the network improvement, including the proof of stake of work and the proof of stake that improves the speed and better scalability. Then the question arises that what is the proof of stake? So we'll discuss that instead of performing tangible work, this concept is based on existence of the stake. So the proof of stake is that we can validate the transaction in the crypto network to show a particular quantity of the cryptocurrency that are native to the blockchain. So the question arises, what's an Ethereum's gas fee? You know very well about that. I have discussed in my Telegram group. If you have not joined my Telegram group, go right below the link description and join it. So every transaction on the Ethereum network costs a amount of a gas, which is, you can say that it's a fee paid, or the fee paid depends on the complexity of the transaction. I'm going to tell you all this in the simple words, that what the purpose of the merge is. So according to me, the primary goal of the merge is to improve the scalability. Network can handle the more transaction without the delays or the high fees. So the next question, maybe you guys will think about that, the Ethereum platforms, the popularity. So according to that, the blockchain network of the popularity is expected to grow once, and the merge is released. It causes the increase in scalability, security, and efficiency for the business and the individual to take advantages to blockchain technology. So the network capabilities, you know that every transaction on the Ethereum network is currently 1.1 to 1.5 million transactions per day. Currently, the network can handle the 15 transactions per second. The merge aims to increase the 1,50,000 by the time upgrades to rolled out. And according to that, the 9 to 9,000 increase in the capabilities. So this is according to the network capabilities. It's getting so much good. And when we discuss about the Ethereum's DeFi market share, according to the analyst, when the analyst is saying, I'm telling you that that's not the financial advice, I'm just giving the lecture on the words the Ethereum merges. So according to analysts, the Ethereum currently has 70% on the DeFi transactions in the cryptocurrency market, and the blockchain is used to support the major NFTs and the gaming project. So all this video is about the Ethereum merge, and I have discussed, and I have told you, and I have explained every single word in the easiest way that you can learn easily and memorize that what's in Ethereum merges, and understand that how it works, and what's about the basic network capabilities and the basic popularity platform, and the purpose of the Ethereum is what's the purpose of the Ethereum, and the gas fee, and then the proof of stake work. Hopefully you like my video. If you find it useful, hit the like button and share it with your friends and colleagues, and do subscribe my channel and join my Telegram channel. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.